Do you have fall skin? Do you have acne, blackouts? Do you have acne, breakouts, blackheads, or just in general fucked up skin? Are you bored of beating your meat in quarantine? Then you should consider stopping it ASAP because it is one of the main reasons you have fall skin. क्या आप चाहते हैं कि जब आप 2 महीने बाद फाइनली अपनी क्रश से मिलोगे तो अपनी चेहरे की चमक से उसे अंधा कर दें? And even if you are putting a lot of effort into your skin and your skincare routine and whatever you're doing and it's still not showing results, then this video is exactly for you. And if you don't know anything about skincare routines in general, basic skincare, then I highly suggest you to watch my basic skincare video. It is the first step into skincare, so watch that video. It's also linked in the description below. But even if you are following a skincare routine and you still have terrible skin, then don't worry at all because तुम्हारा भाई लेके आया है 5 DIY masks to get rid of all your skin problems. And what would be a better time than quarantine to focus on your skin, to improve your skin quality? Because normally we don't even give a fuck about our skin. So this is the time we give a fuck about our skin. This is the time we take care of our skin. वार्निंग, ये टोटके इस्तेमाल करने के बाद आपकी स्किन इतनी चमक जाएगी कि आप रोड पर निकले तो लोग अंधे हो सकते हैं, तो कृपया घर पर बैठे रहें। और अगर आपको पता नहीं कि घर पर बैठे बैठे क्या करें, तो मेरी ये 10 things to do during quarantine वाला वीडियो देख लीजिए। टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस अप्लाइड, जनहित में जारी, whatever. So number 1 on the list is aloe vera gel masks. Aloe vera is awesome. I don't need to explain how awesome it is. It is antiseptic. It has healing properties. It also reduces inflammation on your skin and also get rid of the tan on your skin. So in conclusion, use aloe vera on your face. It's great if you have a plant at your home. Just make sure you know how to use the aloe vera plant properly because there's this yellow part in it which comes out when you cut the aloe vera and it's not good for your skin or even consuming it. It's dangerous. And if you don't have aloe vera at your place, I'd suggest to get an aloe vera gel from outside. Make sure you get a good quality aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gels that have 90% or above quantities of aloe vera in it. This one is from Wow. This one is the one I would recommend to you because it has 99% pure aloe vera without any harmful chemicals. Squeeze some gel out, apply on your face, massage well, let it dry for about 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off. You can also use this as a nighttime gel before you sleep. But make sure you patch test any of the products before you put it on your face because sometimes some people are allergic to aloe vera. So it doesn't work for their skin. So patch test. How do you do a patch test? Use some product on this part of the skin because this part of the skin is very thin. It's kind of similar to the skin on your face. So if it works here, it would work on your face. Number 2, if you have dull and impure skin, then this one is for you. Purify your skin with a charcoal powder face mask. No, I'm not talking about those ready-made peel-off charcoal masks because they're full of harmful chemicals. They're not good for your skin at all. So what you do is get pure charcoal powder, add some rose water into it, make a thick paste, apply onto your face, keep your face steady, let it dry and keep it for 20 to 30 minutes and then wash it off with a face cleanser because this powder mask doesn't get off with just water, so you have to use a face cleanser too. This mask will instantly purify your skin and just unclog your pores. It will purify your skin. Make sure you use a moisturizer after you use this because this can sometimes, in some cases, over dry your skin. So use a moisturizer and use this face pack once every week, not more than once a week. Number 3, this one is especially for blackheads, for blackheads removal. First of all, why do you have blackheads? Because you don't take care of your skin. Watch this video and you'll know how to take care of your skin. I highly suggest to watch this video and have a basic skincare routine for every single one of you. So what do you do to remove blackheads? Steam your face. The steam will open up the pores of your skin. Then pat dry your face. Just remove all the excess water on your face, dry your face out with a face towel and then remove the blackheads with a blackhead remover. If you don't have one, I suggest you to get one, but for some reason if you can't get one, you can also use this blackhead remover tool that you can easily get in medicals now. After you've done with removing your blackheads, your pores are still open so bacteria can enter in it and you can have acne, pimples and other skin problems. So in order to deal with that, use an ice cube, apply it on your face so that it closes the pores. The ice will make your pores shrink again because it's cold. Duh. Do this once a week. Don't do it more than that. Number 4, as some of you might know that vitamin C is the essential nutrient for your skin. Your skin needs vitamin C in order to stay healthy and have a glow on it. So how do you get vitamin C? Easy, from citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like lemons and oranges. You obviously have to consume these fruits, but you have to also use them as a mask on your skin. You have to also apply them on your skin. So for this DIY face mask, take 2 tablespoons of turmeric and squeeze 1 full lemon in it. Mix it well. make a thick paste out of it and apply on your face. Keep the mask for about 20 minutes to half an hour and then wash it out with water. Filled with vitamin C and antibacterial properties of turmeric, this would work wonders on your skin. Believe me, you'll have an instant glow on your face after using this one. Use this at least once a week and at most twice a week. And finally, number 5, this is an old school method. At some point you've used it too. It's Multani Mitti ka face mask. And especially this mask is the best for my oily skin friends because I have oily skin too, and this is just amazing. Because this face mask will get rid of all the excess oil on your skin, and this gaan fatne wali garmi mein, it'll keep your skin cool from out and within. So for this, take some Multani Mitti in a bowl, add some rose water in it, make a thick paste, apply it on your face thoroughly, keep it for about 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with water. Don't use this more than one time a week because this can actually strip away all the natural oils and it can make your skin extra oily in return. So use this just once every week. So that was the list, guys, but here are a few tips for healthy and glowing skin. Drink a lot of water. Keep your skin hydrated at all times because this is gonna get rid of half the skin problems you have. Sleep for 7 to 8 hours. Your skin heals during you sleep. Your stress levels decrease. You don't have bags under your eyes, those sujan wala bags under your eyes. You also get rid of those dark circles under your eyes. So sleep, it's great. The next tip is eat fruits, a lot of seasonal fruits. Fruits have a lot of vitamins in them, they have minerals in them, they have healthy sugars and a lot of fiber. And it's just amazing. They have very low calories in them, so that won't make you even fatter. Or, it's great if you want to have a lean physique. The last tip is, again, have a skincare routine. Please have a skincare routine. It is crucial because in order to these things to work for you, you need to have a skincare routine. It's the backbone of every single thing you do to your skin. So have a skincare routine. I've linked it in the description below and also the card right here. So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down and let me know why you did not like the video. I'm open for suggestions, and if you like the video and appreciate the content, and if you want more like this, please consider subscribing to this channel. Also, the best suggestion or the best comment will get a shout out in the next video, so comment down below. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is @StreetStyleScape. If you want to talk to me personally or get fashion advice or whatever reason it might be, you can follow me on Instagram. Again, thank you so much for watching. Stay stylish, stay safe, stay at your homes. Triple S out.